Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we have the Halloween 2018 Michael Myers 1/6 scale figure. And we are going to take a look at this bad boy. Now, let's look at the box. This is made by Trick or Treat Studios. You got the 1/6 scale, Halloween. Miramax, this is official from the movie or whatever. It's legit. Let's go ahead and see what this thing says. This is the only solution for Michael. There is nothing to be gained from keeping evil alive. One shot of sodium thiopental would render him unconscious. I'll be with him to make sure his life is extinguished. Ear on his chest to hear for myself that his vitals no longer function, and immediately incinerate the body. It needs to die. It needs to die. It needs to die. So I think that was his sister that quoted that said that. I'm the one that quoted it. But yeah, let's take a look at this guy, man. I'm gonna get him out and see what's up. Alright, so gonna go ahead and get this guy out of here. Oh, check that out. Michael Myers. Nice little picture included in the back there. Okay. Check this guy. Alright. So he comes all bagged up. His accessories. Got these weird looking fingers. And let's get him out of here. Alright, so we got him out the packaging. And let's take a look at this guy, man. Oh, look at the face on this thing, man. Highly detailed. And like his eyes like separate from, like his face is separate from the mask. Now that eye looks like he's got stabbed or something. I don't like it too much. I would have preferred regular eye like this one. Go ahead and do a shot with the light in a little bit. So it's more. But this suit is very detailed, man. It's got stitching all around. You got the feet on ball joints. You can pretty much move him however you want. So you can angle him on the, wherever you pose him up and stuff. Now I don't know if he actually wore these kind of boots in the movie, but it looks official. You roll it down or whatever. Same thing, same boots. We got, of course, amazing articulation. See that? Let's take a look at the back side of the suit. Oh, it looks like the mask is cut in half. I don't know if it's really like that. Well, yeah. It's not cut in half, it's just got like a slit. So let's go ahead and look at that suit. Got the regular hand. They should have done a better job painting these nails. They wanted more like look. Let's see, these are actual pockets. Oh yeah. These are actual pockets, guys. We got actual pockets. Look at that. Actual pockets. I guess you can put the hammer. Got actual pockets. See, that's why I like these 1/6 scale figures, man. They got so much detail, and for the price that you pay for them, you know, it's actually pretty cool, man, because, you know, they put the work into it. Plus, they're like bigger, way bigger. Like, look, this figure is like, I don't know, 12 inches, I guess. Look at that, dude. It's like a statue, only posable, and that's why I kind of dig these figures and stuff. Give him the turnaround. Yep. Not perfect, but yep. Yeah, man. Thing looks awesome. Now we'll see how his body moves. Alright, so see how the body moves. Now the arms, they kind of, I will say they're kind of stiff. They're kind of stiff coming up. Yeah, it feels like that's the maximum I can come up. So it doesn't feel too movable, but the arms are really movable. Now, okay. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with the arms there, with like the shoulders, but it's pretty still. I mean, you can rotate it. Right. Maybe it's the shirt. No, it's so. All right, so the arms aren't that movable. Oh yeah, by the way, I went ahead and put the knife on them. See that? That looks cool. But yeah, the arms, I don't want to damage it or anything. But the arms aren't movable. Now let's see the torso. You can move him. See that? But not so much. But you can't give him a hump like he's reaching down to you know, poke somebody up or something. Like this right here. Yep. Like he's shanking somebody. And the legs go up. Big boot. Big boot. We already went through the this one's kind of loose here. Yeah, we already went through the double articulation on the knee, so he can like knee somebody, boom, and kind of like shake him real quick. You know, you can get creative and shit, but yeah, man, range of motion is all right. God. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys this right here. He's like wearing a shirt or something. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I don't know why they added that. I never seen that in the movie, but that looks pretty cool. I mean, it makes it look more genuine, other than just having like regular bare skin or whatever. Because it looks good. I mean, you can pose them like that and stuff. Now let's do a shot with the light. See what this guy looks like in the light. Alright, damn, that's bright, man. Well, this is what he looks like in the light. Yeah, that eye, man, that eye. I don't like the eye too much. See that? I don't know. I think it would have been better if they would have made this one just like that. So this is what he looks like. See the stitching, man? Looks awesome. This is what it looks like in the light. Man, this was kind of loose. A little bit loose. Yeah, this leg is kind of loose, man. I don't know what happened there, but let's Second light. Yeah, switch the arm up for the hammer. Got a little blood on it. That. Like he just banged somebody in the head or something with it. I think I'm gonna keep him with the knife though. Like the knife better. Yeah. I personally like the knife better. Oh, look at that one. Yeah, just switch the arm. That's the arm. Like somebody just, I don't know what specific part of the movie that is, but like he got his fingers chopped off. That's what it looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and make one of these stands for him because apparently he didn't come with one. And yeah. Now here it is, we got it done. And let's get them on there, man. Let's get them on there. Alright, so we got him on the little stand. He's not holding up well, like too well, but he's doing alright. Now let's go ahead and give him a spin. Okay. Yep. There he is. Oh, Michael Myers. Looking savagely on the thing. Let's turn around like this right here. Let's see. Oh! See, I'm telling you, he's not standing well on this stand. It's kind of loose. Let me get him back up there. Alright, so we got him going. Now let's do the twist. Spin off. Ghetto spin off. I ain't got one of them things. See, he's wobbling, man. He wanna fall. What are you, drunk, Michael? Are you drunk today? Told you to stop drinking them damn vodka shots. Maybe that's why you're walking around killing everybody, huh? You drunk ass. With your drunk ass, boy. Yeah, he looks really cool, man. I'm glad to have this guy in my collection, man. And he's about to stab somebody real quick. And I think that's gonna be Predator. Let's go ahead and compare. We got the Predator going in for it. Oh, we got him. That wasn't supposed to happen, but okay. Oh, we got him. He's done. And the Predator. He thinks he's the king. And he's over here showboating. But ladies and gentlemen, Michael gets up. And he goes in for the shank. Drops him. And then Michael, he drops his knife. Pulls out his hammer. And beats the living crap out of Predator. He just beats the living crap out of Predator. And he's going for the stump. Michael snapped his leg, but he's still going. He doesn't care. And Michael Myers, and the leg's twisted. Michael Myers wins. Let's get him with the Nice. Michael Myers wins. Oh no, he's going back in for him. He ain't playing. He's trying to get him. And there he is. Thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.